Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So guys, I think I might have found you all a lash vendor. If you're looking to sell lashes, I might have found you a vendor, or the vendor found me. So this company called Crown Lashes on AliExpress messaged me on Instagram actually about doing a video for their lashes. And you guys, it's funny because the delivery person literally just came to my door, dropped it off like 3 minutes ago, and they put my Instagram name on it, and the delivery carrier was like, who is Madam Brittany? I'm like, oh, that's me. Yeah, that's my Instagram. So anyway, you guys, I'm just telling that story to tell you all to follow me on Instagram. But anyway, here's the package, so I'm pretty excited. I decided to do this video right now. I just threw on a nice little shirt so I can do this video right now and show you all these lashes. I don't really like my hair right now, but that's okay. But here are the lashes, or whatever is in here. I hope it's lashes. But the company is Crown Lashes on AliExpress. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open this package. Got my scissors. These scissors are featured in almost every video, you guys. I know. So the box is very secure. That's a good thing. You don't want your lashes to get destroyed or anything. But like I was saying before, this company does do like wholesale a lot, but they also do normal selling of lashes. So if you just want to buy some lashes, this may be the company for you. Oh, I'm struggling with the box. So they put a bunch of bubble wrap, a bunch of tape on here. So I mean, that's kind of good, right? You want your lashes or your product to the customer to be protected. So it was really cool. I had never gotten anything like this before. They messaged me on Instagram and they told me, okay, pick which lashes you want to do the video on. Pick the box you want them to come in. So I'm showing you all the type of boxes they offer. And I'm showing you all the lashes themselves. I think I'm finally seeing a little bit of the lash. Finally. So I think, hold on now. Hold on. Because when I talked to them on Instagram, they told me that they would send me 5 of them. This does not look like 5. Okay, let me see. I have 1, 2, 3. No, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 boxes. I don't know if these boxes are just empty or what, but y'all, what? They were only supposed to send me 5. I guess they meant 5 different types in 5 different boxes. I don't know. But okay, the first box I'm going to show you is this holographic type of box. This is very pretty. And it comes in a diamond. Let's see if anything is in it. Oh, something is in it. So these are the lashes in this box. I picked several different types of lashes, like lengths. I wanted some thicker ones. But this is a very beautiful box. So if you're looking to start a lash company, child, whoa, that's really beautiful. So this is another holographic diamond. This really, like, I know this looks fabulous on camera. But let me show you all these lashes. These are them. I wonder, are these the same? Are these the same? I think so. So yeah, these are the same lashes. But this is really neat. I never use that word, but this is neat. Those are all the diamond ones. I mean, the holographic diamonds. These are just plain pink. The boxes are magnetic. So if you're looking for a vendor. So let me tell you all this. These lashes came in like a week. Maybe less. Maybe less than a week. Yeah. Because I just sent my phone number to them. That's crazy. These are a little thicker. They have a little wing effect on them, kind of. Let me feel them. They're soft. They're soft. Now I'm starting to check for softness in lashes. So they are semi-soft. I love these diamond boxes though. I wonder if you're looking for like your vendor. Oh, these are a little thicker than those. Maybe these are different ones. These are just a little thicker. I wonder if you are looking for like a vendor or something, if you can get your logo printed on them. They know I didn't have one or whatever because I wasn't a lash company. But I'm pretty sure that if you are, you will be able to get your logo printed on these. So this is a very pretty gold box. Now, this is very pretty. Okay, so these lashes are they're spaced out a little. I think they really want me to show the packaging and the lashes. Yeah, but these have a little more space in them. I would probably double these, so I'm glad they sent me so many pairs of each lash. But this is very exciting because I thought this package was something else, but then when they told me Madam Brittany, I was like, oh no, this isn't that. Because I literally just sent them my phone number. So I know. Can't believe I'm already at 7 minutes. Like, you all don't understand how fast time goes by when you're making YouTube videos. So this is the next box. This is very cute. I think if you had a logo, this is probably where your logo would go. I'll make sure to link this company in the description box. Ooh, these lashes are better. Probably my favorite pair of lashes I've opened so far. Definitely my favorite. So my favorite box might have been that holographic diamond, but even though these are really cute, this reminds me of a pack of gum I used to have. I don't know, you all may know what I'm talking about. Type of gum. I don't know. But yeah, I think all of these are the same. I don't want to waste you all's time. So they're all the same. So I'm not gonna open the last one. So the last, oh, these are bigger. These are definitely bigger. So they come in like a plastic. So this is their round packaging. These are only the colors I like the most. So they had other colors of these, but I just picked the ones I liked. So these are a little bigger. Ooh, now these lashes are cute. You know what? I may end up doing a lash giveaway. I may have to do a lash giveaway, you guys. Because at this point, I may have more than I know what to do with. So this is how the lashes look. They are beautiful. They put a little gold paper behind them. I guess if you had a logo, you could put a little sticker right there in between them. So they sent me 3 of each packaging I picked out. This is a beautiful spread. Like, I don't think you all know, but the company shipped this stuff so fast. So fast. Like, anyway, that is it for this video. The company is Crown Lashes, Crown Lashes, Crown Lashes. They also do normal sales, and plus these are the lashes I handpicked myself. So they do have other lashes if you're looking to start a company. But anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video because I did. I'm really surprised that they sent me this much. Like, me? Like, what? But anyway, you guys, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.